In today's lesson, this is the same as the classwork 2. This is the bottom part. Actually, it's the top part of your homework, the bottom part of your worksheet for the day. We are going to find the polynomial function this time given the zeros. Now, when you have a rational zero, you can set these equal to 0 and work your way backwards to a factor. Set them equal to 0. So if you subtracted 0, this factor is just going to be plain x. Subtract the 2, this factor is going to be x minus 2. Now, this pair is called a conjugate pair because they give us irrational answers. They come from when you do the quadratic equation. To resolve that quadratic, we're going to use the two formulas that we learned in math in Algebra 2. The sum is equal to negative b over a, and the product is equal to c over a. So we're going to take those two and sum them together. Your radical 5's cancel out, and now my sum, which is 8, is equal to negative b over a. We let a equal 1. Therefore, negative b is equal to 8, so b is equal to negative 8. We find a product. The product of these two is the same as the product of your perfect squares, two terms separated by a minus. So you multiply the first terms, 4 by 4. Negative times a positive gives you a negative, and your radical 5 by radical 5 gives you 5. This will be 11. We set that equal to c over a, and a is 1. Therefore, c is 11. So those two roots came from the quadratic that fits into this formula. We plug in a, we plug in b, and we plug in c. So your entire function will be all your factors, x times x minus 2 times x squared minus 8x plus 11. Just like they gave it to you on your homework. And that's your function that gives you those zeros.